Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, hi, my name is Fēyi. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I heard that there are some boys and girls who live amongst us who don't exfoliate their lips. And I'm here to deliver those people from bondage. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. Okay, so you're going to need sugar. Yes, I keep my sugar in an ice cream container. If you expected anything else, you set yourself up for disappointment, and that's on you, honestly. You also need flavoring or an essence. You can use whatever one you have or prefer. I'm using a strawberry flavored essence. I'm also using olive oil, but again, you can use whichever one you have at home, except vegetable oil or palm oil. Don't do that. You also need an airtight container to store your scrub in and a clean spoon. Making this lip scrub is very easy. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to do on your own, and it smells and tastes so good. Just add about 2 to 3 spoons of sugar, half a spoon of olive oil, and half a cup of your essence into your container and mix well. You just have to add all of the ingredients into your airtight container and mix. That's literally all you have to do. So I don't understand why people are not exfoliating your lips, because it's like this easy to make a lip scrub at home in your kitchen using items that you probably already have. I don't know. I don't understand, but I don't get it. But that's okay. That's okay. In a few seconds, you guys will see me add a little more essence to my mixture, and this is just because I wanted to give it a little more color, and also because I really like the smell and taste of the strawberry essence. You can definitely leave yours like this, and if after mixing everything together you feel like your mixture is a bit soggy, you can definitely go back in and add a little more sugar. So yeah, that's basically all that you have to do. When you're done, you can cover your container, you can store it in the fridge or somewhere where ants won't get to it, and that's all you need. Okay, look at that beauty. Look at it. So for the second DIY, you're going to need some sugar. You're also going to need some oil. Also, you need some coffee beans, coffee powder. You're going to need some cinnamon powder, an airtight container, and also a clean spoon. So like the first one, you're just going to be mixing all of these ingredients into your container to store and use. So you're going to need about 3 spoons of sugar, about half a tablespoon of olive oil, a spoon of coffee, and a third of a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. You're going to put all of this into your container and just mix well. I don't know if this is weird, but I really like the smell of cinnamon. I don't know, it reminds me of some candy my dad used to bring home during Christmas, like when I was a kid. I really like the smell of that toffee. I didn't really like the taste though, but I really like the smell of that toffee. And that's what like this scrub reminds me of. Yeah, I'm going to stop talking now so that you guys can watch me mix like everything and make the scrub. So this is what it's supposed to look like once you are done mixing everything thoroughly. And yeah, you can store it in the fridge again or just somewhere that ants won't get to it, and use it as often as you need to. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you try out these simple DIYs. If for nothing at all, it's 2020, and if you're not exfoliating your lips, you need to repent, sis. Okay, repent. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and more importantly, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Mwah. Bye.